Luke Franz, sheep heart dissection. Got our sheep heart. The pericardium has been removed, and you can see the big old aorta coming off of it. And the what are these called again? Yeah, the oracles. I mean, you don't have to whisper. You can just tell me as we go.
Pulmonary vessel or artery.
Pulmonary vessel and artery.
Okay.
It's so squished. It's horrible.
This is the front.
I can barely tell what anything.
So it's the front.
Okay, we got the
front ventral side.
Ventral side, yep.
So show me the ventricles.
We got one right here.
That's the big one,
yeah,
which is the left ventricle.
Left ventricle is the big one. And then your right ventricle.
In between them is the left anterior descending coronary artery.
Left anterior descending coronary artery.
Excellent.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and try and peel this apart. We can stop, Zach.